Hi guys, my name is Rebecca Ruiz, and I'm a graduate student in the Marine, Earth, and Atmospheric Sciences at NC State University. I'm actually in my office right now. My research's focus is to use active and passive underwater acoustic data to monitor marine species in oyster sanctuaries and track the usage of these reefs through time. My project specifically looks to answer a few questions about the artificial reef sanctuaries and their inhabitants. One is to understand the soundscape and characterize the health levels of established or old reefs, to statistically analyze the similarity of newly established artificial reefs with the older natural reefs, and three, to assess the effectiveness of deploying these artificial reefs to offset fishing pressure from the other natural reefs. Our methodology to address these questions is to utilize underwater acoustic monitoring data to track and obtain long-term pictures of the usage of these reefs as they are established through time. We deploy hydrophones, which are microphones that listen to sound underwater, taggers that receive pings of certain tagged fish, conductivity loggers to watch the water salinity, and temperature loggers on a frame that you can see here that will be left in the water for months at a time to record that data. And that includes the star of the show for my project, an acoustic camera, which is a sonar that can visualize fish under any conditions, almost any conditions underwater, to count how often and how many fish come in to utilize the reefs. This study is meant to advance the field by providing fisheries management entities a clearer picture on the effectiveness of conservation efforts and the drivers and signs of health within oyster fisheries ecology. I honestly don't know what my results are going to be or look like from this project, but I am really looking forward to quantifying and characterizing the differences in community composition between the old and young reefs in tandem with the water data. This will be a great source of information for fisheries management entities to create model projections of predicted outcomes based on the amount of action proposed to be taken and the trends that we'll see in short-scale and long-scale changes in coastal environments. And that includes seasonal trends and climate change. The next step of my research after all of this is to present my preliminary and, if possible, my final data at conferences and publish my findings, both of which I am very proud and eager to contribute to the field of marine science.